some tendencies for what we want to do or what they look to do here. When the puck's coming up this side, this guy is anticipating that we're going to chip it, so you can go get support. If we go back, you put on the brakes. Then we can have a 3-on-2, and that's for the D. Centerman, you got to want that puck there. So quick little button hook. We got to come at a good angle and hit this guy, soft lock. Don't let him look you off. He's a good player, right? And then they're going to try to go rink wide. So again, make sure we're not getting caught flat-footed there, D. It's a grind-it-out game for 60 minutes. They're going to try to be as good defensively. They pride themselves on being a good defensive team. D-zone coverage, I talked about it. Let's be sharp there. Neutral zone, all right, I talked about that. Make sure we're working. We don't have that puck. We're working hard in the position. Working hard on the center. Working hard stick on puck. Working hard inside the dots. Make sure we're good there. This is a big 2 points for us. The big 2 points where it starts to separate. There'll be 11 points back with the win here. And then all of a sudden now you're looking at Portland, Spokane, and Victoria. So let's make sure that we do everything we can here to get these 2 points. It's not another game. It's not a casual game. It's a go out and we're going to do whatever we have to do. All right, guys, so get yourself ready. Get your game faces on. Get your energy, your attitude, and we'll win this game, all right?
Weak side forward needs to be a little bit lower, and then when we can, we win a battle, just bump it behind the net to the opposite corner. This guy can go pick it up, and we get to clear. Some Everett stuff here is their breakout, 2 on one side, 1 on the other. Okay, it's important that we push hard here. And just a reminder, we need a straight line here.
What we do here, guys, by going the extra mile to make sure we get these 2 points, is going to pay dividends a month from now. If we do the work here today, go the extra mile, when we play them later and we need the 2 points for first place in division and they're out of the picture, they might not mean as much to them. All right, and that's our goal. So we take care of these 2 points and start pushing them behind us. When we play them later, we'll have more to play for than them. All right, let's go here, man. And then make sure we're predictable. Pucks deep, 60 minutes, north-south game. Cozen in goal, Awards, Hoff, Enzer. Let's go, boys. Guys, oh wait, bitch! Don't put your hands up when you get a stick on somebody. Hit him! Somebody, Deller! That way, up here! Hey, Steve, that's goal interference, Steve. Oh, did I call that? Stay focused here, guys. Stay focused. Go, 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 go. Hit him. Boy, Yager. That's it, man. That's it, man. Keep it up, boys. Keep it up, boys. Oh, come on, Ward, settle down here. You can't come flying up there. Just settle down a little bit aggressive on the pinch. Rain it down a bit, that's all.
Back to it.
Shift, man, good shift, good shift. 100% on that. But hey, listen, Max is a high guy and their D. You could go to that D. If Max is already the high guy, you can go track him. Like over here, like Max is here, their D's coming. You go get him right here.
Okay.
Hey man, good start to that period, good energy. The last penalty, guys, we had three turnovers. 3 turnovers on just soft plays. No soft plays, boys. No soft plays in this kind of game. Every time you get that puck, you got to be moving your feet, you got to be hard on the puck, and it's your responsibility to make the good play there. Play smart. But again, I don't think they want 2 more periods of that, all right? Keep bringing it, boys. Good try. Reload. Stay on him, Maddie, stay on him. That's it. Good boy, Hicks. Good boy, Yacker. Move your feet. That way, Bersey. That way, Mitch. Yeah! And you guys are gonna go. Hey, look to the bench. Angela's gonna go. Look to the bench. Maddie, we're gonna go back with your line, depending on who they come with her. That away. No way! Out! Period, man. Good period, man. 2 things. Reminder here, our 1-2-2. You got a breakaway on it. All right, our F1, forcing hard. Our F2 gets to the wall. Now our F3, you're on their center. You've got to go with them all the way back. All right, they chipped it in, they tipped it in the middle, they got a breakaway, we weren't on them. So if they go rink wide, you're with them. All right, or if they go wide and chip it in, you're with them. All right. The only time you're releasing that guy is if they hinge. And then we get into our shift. Other than that, that's your guy all the way back. A couple things here, guys. Again, make sure we're north-south on these D. Make sure we're north-south, neutral zone. Short shifts here again. Got caught out a couple times there. Didn't have a chance to change short shifts, but you have to make appropriate line changes too, boys. If we're in our neutral zone set and we're facing them, we just can't bolt to the bench. All right, so just good, smart changes. That's a high tempo. We've got to keep playing at that pace, keep playing that tempo. Let's go, boys. Maddie, you're up, Maddie! You can go there, Wards. Come on, Wards. Hey, Maddie, stay with him, Maddie! Just make sure you don't take that guy to the D with you before you give it to him there, and then stay with that guy wide there. You on the back check? Let's go, Ins. Hey guys, next power, they're just going way back. We're gonna have to come up with speed, soft, chip it in the corner and win the battle. Stop on them though. Go ahead, Hicks. Give him feet moving. He's diving everywhere. They're diving. They dive, man. They're sucking you in. Stay with that guy. We talked about it. Hands, you fresh? Okay, hey, heads. You fresh? Grab Yacker. Trip there. Come on, Derek. Hey, Ben. Hey, Ben, right now, hey, listen up. Automatic outs, automatic ins, real good third guy high, but we want to forecheck hard. We want to forecheck hard, cycle some down there. Automatic out, automatic in. Good kill, man. Go back. Oh, come on! Steve, come on! Hey! That's unreal, man. There's two teams. We just get cross-checked right below that. Call both penalty. Give me a quick one, and then we're going to go with Barzil's line here. Oh, nice play. Go, go, go. Hard, 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 hard. Ends, you guys fresh? Get up here, get it go. Hold up, Ends' line's going to go here.
Hold this middle area, D. You definitely be aware of something coming here. Widen it here, then we can always widen out.
Yeah! Big way, boys!
There we go, boys!
Call again, boys. Cole's gonna hold us in there.
Listen up here quickly. Hey, guys. It's a good win. It's a good team win. Everybody left it out there. I mean, that's a playoff type game. That was their A1 desperate hockey game to try to get 2 points off. We played the right way for 60 minutes. We outworked them, outbattled them, and it's a big win for us, boys. Enjoy.